Yeah, just pull out then. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I mean, the mother's like, there she is, if that is the mother. I mean, crikey, I mean, look after your kids, do you know what I mean? Letting your kids run round the corner like that unseen. Absolutely sausages. Honestly, car's hurt, you little sausage. Bloody red hot.
Where are you going tomorrow? Where do you go tomorrow, Nana? Swimming?
Whoosh. Are you going swimming? Away, man, you knobhead.
Against a German challenger, this guy carries a threat. Hussein, King of the Night, every single Saturday. But unfortunately, listening to Drive on TalkSport is easy. This is the radio program they call TalkSport. Don't miss all the latest formulas from Paddy Power. Weekday afternoons from 4 on TalkSport. Check out our latest online-only Fenco offers on the Paddy Power app or at paddypower.com. Terms and conditions apply. 18 plus. Be careful aware. TalkSport traffic. Southbound after collision just by junction 45 for Boston Spa. In Somerset,
Look at that idiot, man. Honest to God, police car coming across and he just, sausage just walks across the road like that.
Aye.
They're thick as mints, aren't they? Lord day. Well, you just pull out then? You old coffin dodger?
Trophies, including the European Cup, in one single actual season. Do you know the only other club to do that? Or the only club to do that?
Naughty!
There's a here if you need it. Chelsea? Yeah, see.
Red light sausage.
Yeah, asking if it was more fair, but yeah, Celtic.
He thought it was at a Surrey match. It was actually an Ashes match. He just couldn't understand why there were so many people here. And I felt slightly insulted that Surrey came for the crowd as well. But the reality was that confusion was beginning to take hold, and that was a big red flag to get a diagnosis. But the impact is that somebody living with Alzheimer's might look at their grandchildren and wouldn't necessarily be able to put a name to them. But if you took them back to Goodison Park, if they were an Everton fan, they remembered the year they won the FA Cup.
Fucking mad.
Or they could name them.
I think, oh, it's so commendable to be in, like, that must be tough because they can go any time, foster kids, can't they?
We can do a nice indication shit.
How about
Just walk out then.
everything's done properly?
Team, kick off at 3, yeah? On my way. I've just picked up my new Nissan.
To win, you know, they've forgotten the thing. I mean, did it once last year at home, and that's it. You know,
Didn't look once, them kids. Did not look once at all.
There's real depth to that squad. I know there's a
Good job, you've got to anticipate what they're going to do.
Alright, that's enough. Right, okay, yeah, I'm gonna have a shower. Cheers.
Naughty
Yeah.
drivers?
Brandy. Bad girl, Brandy.
Clever man, and I'm sure he doesn't think that. Because if he does think that, then we need to have words. Because 2 Champions League qualifications, a first trophy since the 50s, they were building a statue of the fella, and rightly so, 6 months ago. So there's absolutely no chance that that guy's not sexy.
See, what I wanted to do from that clip is ascertain as to whether Troy Deeney or Alex Crook agreed with me, because all I heard was an ah from them. I didn't really hear if there was a yes or a no to it. And it was only a question. It was merely a question because...
Okay, some muppets about.
Pop-up T's and C's apply. Bet responsibly. Gambleaware.org. 18+.
TalkSport traffic. The M25 is blocked
Bloody hell.
clockwise after a collision and vehicle fire.
Final destination wagon, red lights.
And the
A30.
You just wouldn't do it, would you?
Blocked after a collision between
You know, the way they approached the Sheshko deal was different to Manchester United. They were deliberately quite aggressive.
What in the hell are you doing? I'm supposed to guess where you're going.
The other way, they wanted Sheshko locked in before.
Freaking hell, dumb and dumber around the town today. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Indication.
You know, it's not good. Today, so it's like, I just leave and think that I'm still taking them on more.
There's Postman Pat doing the rounds, look at.
You know him? He fucking nearly ran me over.
Postman Pat.
And Ryan McHugh joins us now from
Good Postman Pat.
They don't want people sort of on there after 10:30 at night. It's not fair to
Okay, just pull out. Everybody to themselves at this place. I've got a dash cam.
Lampard had a brilliant second half of the season. Yeah. They were very unlucky in the playoffs against Sunderland. Yeah. And I think Coventry, for me, can go up automatically. I do. United.
Yes, I do totally agree with them. Again, Coventry. I
Oh wait, man, it's really fucking 30 mile an hour. Season. Not 20. They're driving a milk float.
Right, if he can be fit this time, he's a really good player.
Friggin' hell.
I wouldn't argue with that, Jeff, in terms of.
It's been a little while yet, so expect that to continue for a while. So buses running instead of trains on that route.
There's another sausage.
The travel line number 330-123-0181.
Yep. This is why people cannot drive, because they come into the presumably yellow box and stops all the traffic from flowing.
Be ambitious.
Absolute wank spaniels.
Get Carlisle from non-league back to the EFL.
Be authentic. Be
Fucking give way. Fanny by gaslight. Traffic's on your side. Not bad. Fucking tool. Fucking base and mopped up air shop. Fucking pulls on, makes you slow right down on the 6 road, then no need to fucking turn off the next turning. Far too fast. Cock rocket. It's gone arse over tit.
Aye, and I can't understand what you're saying, and you can't understand me. And ask me for the postcode. You want to fucking get on, look, silly cunts, look at
Look at the fucking state of that, man.
Go on, man. Go on.
Jesus Christ.
There's a way to walk across a fucking road.
Yep. Fucking sausages.
If I was, because he sits in the front.
Uh-huh.
And I said to him, I says, Nicky, I says, would you feel comfortable? I says, sitting in the back if I asked if someone would want to go in the front. I says, to see if we can get them in a taxi. He went, I'm not allowed to sit. He went, I'm not allowed to.
And you get like wallops like this.
Those fucking tunes that Tommy's fucking doing the stars, we were sitting at one.
Yes, you're supposed to wait. Jubbly cock, 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 cockity cock, cock, jubble, jubble, jubbly, jubbly, jubblies. You gonna go in the jacuzzi on the night, Sue?
Yes. I am.